Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're talking about something super important, your brain, specifically your short-term memory. As we discussed in previous videos, succeeding as an interpreter requires strong short-term memory, well-developed note-taking skills and active listening abilities. Therefore, today we are going to work on improving our short-term memory. We're going to break down 4 mental exercises that can help you level up your short-term memory. These exercises are like brain training boot camps, man. We're talking about pushing your cognitive limits and expanding your mental capacity. Get ready to boost your brain. These exercises will help you not only in your career but also in your personal life. They are based on real science and can lead to some serious cognitive benefits. Let's do this. Alright, so for this first exercise, all you need is a deck of playing cards. Simple, right? Please write in the comments below if you have practiced this exercise to improve your memory. You're going to spread the cards out face down like you're setting up for a game of solitaire, but trust me, this is way better than that. Now you're going to start flipping over 2 cards at a time, trying to find matches. It's all about remembering where those cards are hiding. This is where the real workout begins. Your brain is firing on all cylinders, trying to remember the location of each card, and it's building those neural pathways like crazy. Think of it like this. Every time you make a match, it's like you're forging a new connection in your brain. It's like you're building a mental map of the entire deck, card by card. This exercise is awesome for improving your focus and your ability to remember visual patterns. It's like a workout for your visual memory, and the best part is it's actually fun. This next exercise is going to test your numerical memory. We're talking about remembering sequences of numbers, which, let's be honest, can be a real pain sometimes. Here's the deal. Start by writing down a sequence of like 3 or 4 numbers, nothing too crazy just yet. Take a few seconds to really look at those numbers, burn them into your brain, then cover them up and try to write them down from memory. Once you've nailed that, you're going to up the ante, add another digit to your sequence and repeat the process. Keep pushing yourself to remember longer and longer sequences. You'll be surprised how quickly your brain adapts. This exercise is like weightlifting for your short-term memory. You're challenging yourself to hold more and more information in your mind, and that's what makes it grow stronger. It's like building mental muscle. Duh. Alright, this next exercise is where things get really interesting. We're going to tap into the power of storytelling to improve your memory. Trust me, this one is a game changer. Here's the plan. Grab a piece of paper and jot down a list of random words. Could be anything, nouns, verbs, adjectives, whatever. Now, the fun part, use those words to create a short story. The act of weaving those random words into a narrative forces your brain to engage on a whole new level. It's like you're building a memory palace where each room is a different part of your story. Read your story a few times, really immersing yourself in the world you've created. Then, put it aside and try to recall as many of the words as you can. You'll be amazed at how easily those words come back to you. This last exercise is all about enhancing your visual memory. We're talking about developing a photographic memory, people. Okay, maybe not quite photographic, but you get the idea. Find a detailed picture, could be a photograph, a painting, whatever. Spend 30 seconds really studying that image, taking in all the details, pay attention to the colors, the shapes, the textures. Now close your eyes and try to picture that image in your mind. See it as vividly as you can. Then open your eyes and compare your mental image to the real thing. What did you remember? What did you forget? This exercise is like training your brain to become a high-powered surveillance camera. You're teaching it to absorb and retain visual information with incredible accuracy. It's like upgrading your mind's eye to high definition. So there you have it, folks. 4 powerful exercises that can help you unlock your brain's full potential. Remember, these exercises are like tools for your mind. The more you use them, the sharper your memory will become. It's like anything else in life. Consistency is key. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine and watch as your short-term memory skyrockets. You'll be amazed at the results. Which of these exercises do you think will work best for you? Please comment below. And remember to like our video, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more brain-boosting content. Also, be sure to share these exercises with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and help everyone achieve peak cognitive performance. Thank you for watching, and until next time.